Imagine standing in front of a beautiful rainbow, with vibrant hues of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet stretching across the sky. How do you see those colors? What happens inside your body that allows you to perceive this stunning array of shades? The ability to see color is not just a simple gift of vision. It's a complex process that begins with light, travels through the eye, and is interpreted by your brain. But how does all of this work? To truly understand, we must explore the fascinating science of how the human eye sees color. The journey of color vision starts with light. Light is made up of electromagnetic waves, which are essentially energy that travels in waves. These waves come in different lengths, and each length of light corresponds to a different color. The colors we see are actually a tiny part of the electromagnetic spectrum, which also includes radio waves, microwaves, and X-rays, none of which we can see. The visible light that we can see ranges from long wavelengths, like red, to short wavelengths, like violet. When light enters our atmosphere, it bounces off objects and reflects into our eyes, carrying this color information with it. Once light enters your eye, it first passes through the cornea, which is the clear, curved surface at the front of your eye. The cornea helps to bend and focus the light, sending it through the pupil, which is the black circle in the center of your eye. The pupil acts like a gateway, adjusting its size depending on how much light is available. In bright light, it shrinks to let in less light, and in dim light, it expands to let in more. After passing through the pupil, the light travels through the lens, which fine-tunes the focus and directs the light onto the retina, located at the back of the eye. The retina is the key player in color vision. It contains two types of light-sensitive cells, rods and cones. Rods are responsible for seeing in low light, but they can't detect color. Cones, on the other hand, are the cells that allow you to perceive color, and they work best in bright light. There are three types of cones, each sensitive to a different range of wavelengths. One responds primarily to long wavelengths, or red, another to medium wavelengths, or green, and the third to short wavelengths, or blue. These three types of cones allow you to see a wide range of colors by detecting different combinations of light wavelengths. Imagine this. You're looking at a bright red apple. The apple reflects light that is mostly in the red part of the spectrum, so the cones sensitive to long wavelengths, or red, get activated the most. Your brain receives this signal and interprets it as the color red. If you were looking at a lush green tree, the cones sensitive to medium wavelengths would be activated, and the brain would interpret that as green. When light contains a mix of different wavelengths, your brain blends the signals it receives from the cones to create a wide spectrum of colors, allowing you to perceive everything from the soft pinks of a sunset to the deep blues of the ocean. But how does your brain actually interpret all this data? The process doesn't stop at the eye. When the cones send their signals, they travel through the optic nerve to the brain's visual cortex. It's here that the brain processes the information, combining it with other sensory data, such as brightness and depth, to create a colorful world. This means that color is not just a simple visual experience. It's a complex combination of light, your eye's detection system, and your brain's interpretation. For example, the color of a shirt may appear different depending on whether you're looking at it under the bright light of the sun or the dim glow of a lamp. The brain factors in these conditions and adjusts your perception. And while the way we see color is largely biological, it's also shaped by experience. The brain might make quick assumptions based on past encounters with similar colors, influencing the way we interpret them. In rare cases, some people are affected by color vision deficiencies, often referred to as color blindness. This condition occurs when one or more types of cones do not function properly and is usually inherited, affecting a small percentage of the population, predominantly men. To give you a sense of what it's like, Imagine looking at a scene where the red and green colors blend together in a way that's hard to distinguish. It's a different experience, but one that helps us understand just how remarkable color vision really is. Color perception is crucial not just for aesthetics, but for practical aspects of life. It helps us recognize traffic lights, identify ripe fruits, and even spot potential dangers in nature, such as poisonous plants. The ability to distinguish colors could mean the difference between safety and danger. And beyond that, color plays a role in shaping our emotions and behavior. For example, blue tends to have a calming effect, while red can make us feel more alert or even excited. Advertisers, designers, and artists have known for centuries how to use color to evoke certain moods or feelings, using it to influence the way we feel or act. Next time you look at something colorful, a sunset, a painting, or even a traffic light, think about the incredible journey that light takes to turn into the vibrant spectrum of color you see. From the light hitting an object to the cells in your eyes detecting that light and finally to your brain interpreting it as color, there's so much happening that you don't see. It's a small miracle of biology and physics, one that shapes how we experience the world. In closing, your color vision is a powerful tool, one that helps you navigate the world, enjoy its beauty, and even stay safe. So next time you're picking out an outfit or enjoying a bright, colorful scene, take a moment to appreciate how amazing it is that your eyes and brain work together to make color come to life. After all, seeing the world in color is something we often take for granted, but it's truly an extraordinary process.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.